Hello everyone, welcome to this video demonstration of the Radicle integration with Woodpecker CI. Woodpecker CI is a CI system that is able to connect to a forge and run CI workflows registered within the repositories. We have started here a local instance of the Woodpecker and we are able to log in. It uses the local Radicle node. We can browse through the node's repositories and enable a repository from the available we can see here. We now should enable a specific repository that we would like to run workflows from that. This action should register a dedicated webhook that will be invoked towards the Woodpecker CI when an action on the repository occurs. This is not currently supported on the Radicle side, so this reports that it's enabled over here, but we should register manually the webhook URL to our repository. This is the activation link of the repository here, and we should do it manually and commit it to the repository. This process is detailedly documented in the webhooks adapter, and we're going to skip it for now. I will do it manually and come back in a few minutes as soon as I have it registered and committed to the specific repository. We are now back. We have registered the provided webhook URL to the repository and committed the changes. We rely on the Radicle CI broker and the webhooks adapter, so I'm going to start it right now on my local node. And then what we're going to do is to create a new patch here on our repository, which is already enabled on the Woodpecker CI, and push some changes. Then we will check the Woodpecker CI that everything runs and the Radicle repository patch. So I'm going to check out a new branch. Okay, I'm going to make a small fix on the pipeline that is going to run on the Woodpecker CI. It is registered on the .woodpecker.yaml file. There is a typo here on this command. Alright, and now we're going to commit the changes. And open the patch on the Radicle. Typo. Git push rad. Woodpecker pipeline fix. Alright, we see that the broker invokes the registered webhooks, and back to the Woodpecker, we can see that immediately we have two pipelines running. One is for the update signed refs, which fails. We can exclude it through the broker, the Radicle broker. And as for the patch we have opened, there is a pipeline here that ran. It was successful. This is the pipeline. Here is the configuration of the pipeline. And if we go back to our repository over here, we can check the patch, and we have details about the pipeline that completed on the Woodpecker CI for the result, and the link back to the Woodpecker CI with the results of the pipeline. This is it. And we can also browse the repository over here with the activity about the pipelines that run on the Woodpecker CI, the available branches, which is only the default branch of the repository, and of course the pull request, which are the patches on the Radicle. Thank you.